Beef and broccoli, it's what's for dinner. And I'm going to show you a way to make a quick, delicious beef and broccoli stir fry for one when you're in a hurry and you're just famished after a long day of work. You're going to start with chopping about half an onion, and instead of using sliced beef, I opted for ground beef, and I chopped some fresh broccoli. It didn't take long at all. And to the beef, I added the onion. You're not going to need to add really any oil to this because the beef is going to render some fat. And you're just going to let the onion saute in with that ground beef. And once it has cooked through, I did add just a touch of water to release those delicious flavors there on the bottom of the skillet. And it's smelling really, really good. And so when it's bubbling like you see, you're just going to throw in that broccoli. You can't beat fresh broccoli and beef. And of course you could use sliced beef if you want to take a few more minutes to cook the sliced beef. But I opted for the 80-20 ground beef just because it was quick and simple and I was really hungry. And soy sauce is really good to add to this dish. However, I happen to be out of soy sauce, and you're going to be surprised that I did add a little barbecue sauce, and it was absolutely delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. It was so good. I didn't add much, just enough to give it some delicious flavor. And this is KC Masterpiece Barbecue Sauce Original blend. And I just let that all marinate together. And I want you to know this dish came together so quickly. And I did throw in some sesame seeds, just whatever you want to add to this stir fry, totally up to you. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy dinner for one that can be put together so quickly. It was delicious, really, really good, healthy, low carb. And keep in mind, you could actually add chicken. You could use any kind of protein that you like with this dish. It was so good. Oh, I wish you could taste it. I really do. Thank you for watching. I will be uploading videos weekly. I hope you have a wonderful week and God bless you.